Taylor's. Oh!
Check me out.
Oh!
Go! Open the door, Remy!
Whoa.
Food, give it to me. Yes. Oh God, you bitch. Stacy, come on, I just want to have a little bite of that. Come on, let me just have a little piece. Like, come on. Oh, yeah.
I believe I can fly.
Did you get that? Did you get it?
There's no way he's gonna tackle me within the next 2 seconds.
If I didn't record this, no one would believe me, but I've got a crew posturing for schmackos, and it's the most adorable thing I think I've seen today.
Do you want dinner? No! No! Give me your hand.
Don't you step on the flowers. It's Layla.
Bruh, slow down. Slow down.
Oh my God, you ain't shit, bro. It's a real live. You going? Oh, they going on his back now.
Oh, we don't like him.
Do ba 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 do.
Woo! That was a good one. No! No!
Mom! I caught a seagull!
Oh my God, let it go.
How to make your cat make a sound. First, take 2 fingers,
Second, lightly touch the cat on the base of the tail, and they will make a sound.
Oh God, Emma.
Ready? Come here, come on. Whee!
Oh, we lit! Watch this. To Jurassic Park.
All right, all right, all right.
Charlie.
Food, 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 food. Water, 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 water. Food, 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 food.
Oh. Oh no, are you okay? Oh no, Bentley.
What happened? Mom scared you. I'm sorry. I will be a good baby.
Chicken. You can't. Give me it.
No, no, no.
Oh, oh, there goes the leg. Oh.
Get. Tell me about it.
They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick, chicky, boom, chick.
Astrid.
Astrid.
Where?
Astrid.
Are they making your chicken tenders? Chicken tendies.
I remember when I lost my mind.
Petra, no, Petra, te vas a matar. No, no, Petra, Petra. Chispalo, qué cane.
Sit.
Watch this. I literally have like nothing in my hand.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see. Wait for it.
You're kind of ugly. Angel, you smell like poop. You smell like poo-poo. You smell like poo-poo.
Boy, still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea
Who are you? Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
No, eat! Hey, that's my money.
Some cheese?
Correct! It's November 5th!
It's her idea.
Nah, Lou!
Mine.
So for some reason, we can get this dog to sit with any word.
Angel. Snowman. Snowman. Microwave. Microwave.
He's all
in.
Do I even weigh anything to you?
No. It's like holding a couple of grapes.
We got this. Gotta make my boy feel light.
Let's see what the dogs do. What is that?
Let's go. Load up.
These tacos. I want the real deal. I want the real deal. I want him. 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 I want you. I want you.
Hey, Palmeo, your girlfriend is ugly.
Person, they can just talk about their experience working with us.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.